Discover excellence with Half Price Roof's 16-square full roof replacement showcase. Elevate your home with our premium roofing solution featuring top-notch materials and expert craftsmanship. We've reinforced your roof with new synthetic felt for durability and longevity, and fortified it against the elements with ice water protection. Bid farewell to water damage worries with our meticulously placed drip edge and gutter apron. Our team has also replaced all damaged decking, ensuring a solid foundation for your new roof. Ready to upgrade? Choose Half Price Roof for quality, reliability, and a roof that stands the test of time. Your satisfaction is our guarantee. Call us now to schedule your consultation and take the first step toward a superior roofing experience. Call Half Price Roof at 844-945-7663 today and let us take care of your roofing needs. We offer free roofing estimates, ensuring you have a clear understanding of your project's scope and cost. Worried about budget constraints? We've got you covered with flexible financing options to make your investment more manageable. Navigating insurance claims can be a hassle, but with Half Price Roof, we have an in-house adjuster ready to help you work through the complexities. Your peace of mind is our priority. Don't wait any longer. Dial 844-945-7663 now and take the first step towards a secure and beautiful roof. Half Price Roof, where quality meets affordability. Call us today.